Good evening folks, welcome back to my channel. And in the previous video we have already seen that there was a little trouble with carburetor which we have resolved, and after that there was no problems of overflow. However, the engine was still feeling a little hesitant, and that was the reason that I had to bring my scooter again to the mechanic. Today we are going to take care of electronics. I guess the starting coil has some trouble, so we'll be replacing that with another one. Let's continue.
मैं 2 दिन आगे गया। हाँ, वो बात तो सही है, स्ट्रेंथ नहीं है ना स्पार्क का।
थोड़ा सा किक मारे आ जाना चाहिए।
बहुत कम है। Okay guys, so turns out that the spark strength is not really that great, and despite changing the jet as well as the float pin, we still have that starting issue. So might be we are going to work upon it a bit. You can see the spark strength is too low. See that? Almost non-existent. So I guess either the coil or something else need to be replaced. I hope it's not the CDI. So what we basically have here is an old scooter, and we are taking out the component from its engine. You can see a lot many of them. There's another Vespa sitting over there, maybe awaiting restoration or scrap yard. You never know where it's going to go. The thing that we are taking out is known as a starting coil, and that's pretty genuine. So thanks to Raju Bhai and his team. Actually it's a little jammed, so we'll have to work our way through the bolt.
No matter how hard we try it, the coil won't really move from its place. So that's the reason that we are carrying it to a different workshop so that we could take it out and fix it on our scooter.
So we are here at Tejas' place.
Okay, so that's the coil that we really needed. Let's go back to the garage and get it fixed. Seems nice and clean. Let's go.
Okay, so that's the coil that we extracted from the engine, and that's the coil that we have. Probably we will have to put in some effort to take that out too. Thank you. Dhanyawad. And this patch that you are seeing, that's actually the removed paint, and owing to the rainy season it has gone a little bad, which we'll be painting again. That's a video part for a different series, or for that matter a different episode. Today we are going to fix the engine's main issues, specifically the starting problem. So I guess with that starting coil it will be finished. Let's see. Let him get free and then we'll get to it. Unfortunately, no matter how good we tried, the top of the bolt has gone damaged. We'll anyway have to take it out so that we could fix the another one. Finally we are done with it, and now it's time for the newer starting coil to take the place. ये सही क्या? उस दिन इधर आके खा लेने का. So that is it. It's mostly done. Let's see how the performance is now. All said and done. So that's how we actually change the starting coil. And actually we are missing the rubber. Rubber here. So be it, folks.
So finally the problem of engine or the hesitant motion of the engine is sorted, and now we can ride continuously on the scooter without worrying a bit. So that would be all for the day, folks. Stay tuned for more. Till the next time, build it, ride it.